Okay everyone, so if you're using an iPhone and you're not really getting any notification from your iMessages, that can be really frustrating for you. So if you're having this problem, don't worry, because all you gotta do, you just gotta tweak up some of the settings from your iPhone to fix that problem. Now let's go ahead and do the process to fix it. Alright everyone, now there are a few things you need to check very quickly even before you start checking the main process. First off, make sure that your iPhone has stable internet connections. Now, all you can do is just go ahead and open up any browser on your iPhone and you can just load up any browser or any website that you literally want to check whether it's working or not. So if you see it's working, that's fine. If it doesn't work, then all you can do is just go ahead and swipe it down and just go ahead and turn on your airplane mode. Wait around 10 to 15 seconds and afterward just turn it back off, and hopefully that will fix your internet related problem. Now after that, go ahead and check whether your do not disturb mode is turned on your iPhone or not. So if you see it's turned on, you simply can turn it off so that you can start receiving that iMessage notifications on your iPhone. Alright guys, now after checking all of the process, now the first things you want to do, you need to just check your notifications are enabled for your iMessages or not. Now, the first things you want to do from here, just go ahead and tap your settings, you scroll down to your notifications, scroll down to your messages and make sure your allow notification is turned on, and at the very same time make sure your all of those alert notifications are turned on for your lock screen, notification center, and also the banners. Well, after that, you gotta check your date and times. Now to check your date and times, once again, go ahead and press or tap your settings. You scroll down to your general. Now scroll down to the date and time and go ahead and just turn your set automatically. Simply turn it back on to fix your date and time problem on your iPhone. Now let's go ahead and check whether are you really receiving any notifications from iMessages on your iPhone or not. If that doesn't work, don't worry. The next things you simply can do is simply can refresh your iMessages to get those notifications. Now to do it, now once again tap your settings and scroll down to your messages. And then make sure that you're logged in with your Apple account. And afterward, now go ahead and turn up your iMessages. Now wait around 5 to 10 seconds and afterward go ahead and turn it back on, and as soon as you do it, now all you can do just go ahead and give a restart on your iPhone to fix your problem. Now just go ahead and press that volume up button and power button and go ahead and just turn it off, and afterward go ahead and press and hold your power button and just keep holding it until you see that Apple logo appears. As soon as you turn on your iPhone one more times, now all you need to do, you gotta check whether are you really getting notifications from now on or not. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and check whether we are getting the notification from the iMessages or not. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, we are receiving the notifications on our iPhone right now. That means our problem has solved. Hopefully you're also getting the notifications on your iPhone as well. Alright guys, this is how you can solve your problem on your iPhone, and this is how it really works. Hope this video is useful. If so, be sure to hit the like button, and if you guys have anything to ask, please let us know in the comment sections. And that's all about this video. See you next time and have a good day.